Oh, there you are, LaRue. How about a song, please? For Sophie.
All of the people say, hey, what's going on today? Down in Wowwy'z workshop, where we use art each day to chase the blues away. Down in Wowwy'z workshop, brought to you by two brothers, one vision.
Dearest Soul, first, I would like to thank you again for being a lighthouse and the amazing carving that you gave me, the Green Lady and Friends, and then customizing it with the Be a Lighthouse. It's one of my most treasured gifts that I've ever been given. And I know I sent you some blung and stuff, but I've always wanted to send you something additionally to show my appreciation and gratitude. And I finally decided on that piece. Now, this little fella here, pretty darn special little, oh, look at the baby got back. Little patches. It's a very special gnome. And we even flocked the bottom in Two Brothers, One Vision there, sorry. A lot of love went into him, and like I say in your little letter there, that although he might be small, but his love is mighty. I burnt the stars in there with different screwdrivers and a torch. It's kind of a cool effect. But so if I want this little guy to be with you and to protect your family and your home, and just always show you how much I truly, truly appreciate not only your gift, but your support with our art and your continued support with our channel. I can't convey with words how much it means to me, so I'm going to allow my actions to do so. And you're going to see, this isn't going to be a love bomb coming up, folks. These are all episodes of Karma Carves, because it's gifts. People are going to be getting gifts that deserve it. And I'm not doing a love bomb, man. I'm doing a love nuke. So watch your mailbox. There may be just something in there for you. Much love to everybody, and to each and one of you, the supporters. It's your family to us. Much love. And continue making your magic and being lighthouses, guys. Thank you, Soph. Hope you like him. He loves you. Check that out. Much love. Yes, Sophie. Protectors come in many forms, and although small, his love is mighty, to protect you, your home, and your family for always. Much love.